Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from FiTorch. Now this here is their ER16GT. Now I was sent this flashlight kit by FiTorch directly. Comes in this box. I'll start off here with the specs, a little on the small side, but as you can see there, 1350 lumens that this can put out, which is a lot of light. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. Done a lot of FiTorch reviews in the past, many years now. And it's a nice little FiTorch felt bag. Nice. This is a small user manual as well. Multi-language. English. One paracord lanyard. One USB Type-C charging cable. One single O-ring. Something else under here. Oh, it's letting you know that there's a protection piece on the battery. Make sure you remove that. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. Love green, my favorite color. Forest green would be my ideal color if I was going to do my vehicle to get repainted. I like the body here. Grooves on it all in one direction help grip it. Definitely small enough for everyday carry. You can table stand that if you need. Side switch does stick out a little bit from the body. Clip is pretty resistant on there. You can remove that if you don't want it. The lanyard hole here. Style and design on this is nice. Charging port there. And the machining and finish on this is nice. Kind of a flat finish. Semi-gloss maybe. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at that smooth reflector. This is running the Luminus SFT-25R LED. Seeing this LED in more lights, and it does extremely well. Feels rugged. It's got some weight to it. It does have the battery in it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this apart and I'll show you the insides as well as the battery that it comes with. Now it looks like, oh, here's the text piece, clear, see-through, I couldn't see it. but it's there. But forgot to show this as well. That the light can be used hands-free. Hands-free it, no problems. Very strong magnet. Show you the tail spring here. Now there is one down on the head of the light as well, so you can use any 18350 battery. And here's the battery that's included. This is a 10 amp cell, 1100 milliamp, 18350. One of my favorite battery sizes, especially for headlamps. This is unprotected. So let's go ahead and get it all back together, and now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Just going to activate that light. Got a battery level indicator here. See there? Man, that's a nice beam. Press down and hold. Look at that beam. That is really impressive. Look at that hot spot there. Little to no bleeding. This is going to be a little pocket rocket. And then all the way down, I think from off, we'll get you moonlight. I believe so. There's the lowest. Took a second, and then from there you go up from the UI. Yeah, the lowest level has a little bit of a delay there. And then from there it goes up. See the difference there? And then from on the regular UI, you can double click to get the highest output that this can do. Wow. That is crazy bright. 1, 2, 3 will get you strobe. That is a variable speed on the flash, and it is distracting. Double click will go back to the highest output, and then we're back through the UI. You can hold it down if you wish, or you can do one at a time. Now I believe you can check your battery level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4.1, 4 blinks, 1 red, 4.1 volts. Battery's fully charged right out of the box. That's nice. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward, easy to operate this, nothing difficult. This here, I usually tend to have the clip over the port because I charge the battery in a dedicated charger. Impressive overall build quality. That LED is something else. Alright, well let's wait no further. Let's take this FiTorch out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the FiTorch ER16GT. Let's go ahead and get started here. Start off on the lowest light output. That water spout 38 feet. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea at the range that this has. This LED is amazing. I'll go up to the next level here. Spill area. Having a lot of fun with this earlier. 138 feet here. Famous tree of life. Making it cross spark to those playgrounds even at this light output. Nice. Let's go up to the next level here. Spill has really come alive. See that pond or playground there. Second one there. Thing is a little pocket rocket. Man. 238 feet there behind famous tree of life. Look at that. Making that first palm tree and faintly making the second one. It's almost there. You'll see it on the next level. Let's go up to the next level now. There we go. Look at that. First palm tree, second one. This thing, this Luminus LED is one of my favorites. It does real well on just about any application so far that I've seen. Making it cross park to the playgrounds there. Tree line, fence line. And let's go ahead and do turbo. Wow. Look at that. With these. Man. This is generally a little pocket rocket. You need something that's got some decent throw, but don't want something heavy and big. You've got this thing. Impressive beam performance on here. Tree line, fence line. We'll do a beam profile here, up and over and around. Well, let's go ahead and end it over here on the palm trees. This little thing. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. If you're wanting a little pocket rocket, look no further. This thing has got amazing range on it, as you saw out there. It's got some really good range on it, and that's to be expected from this Luminus LED. And with that LED, it has never failed to impress me, even in other lights that I've tested and reviewed. This thing is amazing. The battery here will give you good run times. Of course, turbo is going to cycle down due to heat, but easy to operate this. Charge it on the go. It's magnetic tail, so you can hands-free it if you need a point light somewhere or anything to do for emergency reasons. Set it upright, maybe build a little diffuser. I use a soda bottle white cap if I get them, and I save them and put them right on top, and they work good as little diffusers. Nice little pouch here. Love the color. These do come in other colors on the bodies. So impressive little light overall. No issues whatsoever. Alright, well I want to thank FiTorch for sending me this ER16GT. Now if this kit is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below this video, including a special discount code, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from FiTorch to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.